Hello scientists, it's me, Miss B, and I am back with another episode. So I went into my freezer today, and now I have ice cream. I've been craving ice cream all week, everyone, and I'm so excited to dig in. It's empty. Okay, so I'm pretty disappointed right now. I was really looking forward to eating ice cream, and I opened an empty container. I really don't feel like eating any other kind of dessert right now, and I don't feel like going to the store to buy ice cream. So I wonder if there's a way I can make my own ice cream here at home. I think I'm going to have to research this. What do you think? Can I make ice cream here at home? Scientists, I just finished my research and I found out that you can make ice cream at your house with simple ingredients that you may have at your home. Scientists, I am so relieved that I can make ice cream here at my house. And hey, if you'd like to join me in making ice cream at your home, stay tuned. So let's have a little chat about the science of ice cream, shall we? Did you know that ice cream is an emulsion? A combination of two liquids that don't normally mix together. Instead, one of the liquids is dispersed throughout the other. In ice cream, liquid particles of fats, called fat globules, are spread throughout a mixture of water, sugar, and ice, along with air bubbles. Let me give you an example. Have you ever tried to mix water and oil? Pretty difficult, right? That's because you're creating an emulsion. Alright scientists, let's get started. You will need measuring tools, sugar, vanilla extract, half and half, rock salt, 2 Ziploc bags, 1 gallon and 1 pint, and ice. Measure a half cup of half and half. Pour it into the small Ziploc bag. Next, grab your vanilla and measure half a teaspoon. Now, measure 1 tablespoon of sugar. I'm using brown sugar, but you can also use white sugar. Now what you want to do is get all of the air out of that bag. Be sure to seal it shut and gently swish back and forth. When you no longer feel the sugar crystals at the very bottom, you know you're done. But if you still feel it, keep swishing back and forth. Your goal is to make sure everything is dissolved. Now it's time for your big Ziploc bag. Carefully pour your ice into the big Ziploc bag. Measure a half cup of rock salt. So, what exactly does the rock salt do anyway? Pause the video and make a hypothesis. If you live in a city that gets a lot of snow and ice, then you're probably familiar with road salt. Just like we use salt on icy roads in the winter, salt mixed with ice, in this case, also causes the ice to melt. So get this, when salt comes into contact with ice, the freezing point of the ice is lowered. So water will normally freeze at 32 degrees Fahrenheit, and a salt solution can freeze to as low as 2 degrees Fahrenheit. By lowering the temperature at which ice is frozen, we're able to create an environment in which the milk mixture can freeze at a temperature below 32 degrees Fahrenheit, turning into ice cream. All right, so where were we? So now you're going to pour the salt over the ice into the big Ziploc bag. Take your small Ziploc bag and place it into the big Ziploc bag. Now it's time to shake, shake, shake. Yes, I know, shaking the bag is so tiring, but don't give up. The more you shake, the more the ice cream will solidify. Once I observe that the small bag no longer contains a liquid, I know that I can stop shaking. What do you notice? I think I did a pretty good job emulsifying this. What do you think? Not only do I have my spoon ready, but I have my Hershey's syrup ready also as my topping. Or if you prefer sprinkles, that works great too. Delicious. And if you are dairy-free, no worries. Swap out the ingredients I mentioned for your favorite fruit juice and enjoy a delicious icy. Thanks for making ice cream with me, scientists. I hope you're enjoying your ice cream as much as I'm enjoying mine. Until next time, it's me, Miss B.